Oh.
Gonna hold it. You hold it. Don't drop it.
That was really freaky, they just landed.
Oh, you're not going to get 3 on there, are you? Oh, look, you've got 3. Look. Oh, no, there's an argument.
Let Amelia hold it. Don't drop it.
Oh, no, it's still doing it, right? Oh, God, you're really busy this one.
No, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I think they must know it's empty.
You like to eat the food?
Look at that one that's hardly got any feathers on his on him. Oh, that one must be getting bullied or something.
Oh, Lord.
Nanny, I just tried it and it's empty.
Hang on, let Nicole have a go.
You only finished it already.
I had two.
You're going to put them on your hand.
Oh, well done.
I had two.
Oh.
You guys, you was about to stroke me, weren't you?
I wouldn't suggest trying to stop.
Careful! No, don't fight! Don't fight! Don't fight!
All done?
Don't touch him, Amelia.
There you go, you've got one.
Okay. Nicole, is it?
Oh,
Hold it.
how are you, mate?
Hold it up to that one.
Oh look, Landy, do what Kayla's doing. Landy, look.
Don't push it on him. He had a poo-poo on Mummy. Look, hold it onto this one.
Yeah, God, water. It's all that liquid they're drinking.
That one don't want it. It's a bit horrible, that one.
He might be getting bullied by all the other birdies. Oh,
Look at it.
look at he held it.
Look how it's doing it.
Hang on. What you do when you hold the bird? Right, hold that, Nicole. Amelia. Okay, send another poo.
No, Nicole, he doesn't want you to hold him.
Nicole.
Oh! Look, Amelia.
Nicole, when you hold it, when they go to the bird, put them by their butt.
Amelia, if you hold the pot, he might come on your hand. Now take a step backwards. Now go backwards. Right, just hold your arm out as well. Hang on, he might fly on your arm in a minute. Keep still. No, just right. Hang on, no, Nicole. Let Amelia do it. Come over here. Turn around that way. Put your arm out straight. Right, stay there. Right, don't move. So keep still. No, put that food out. Hold it out. So wait there, and the bird might come. Keep your arm straight
You've got
though.
no feathers to fly, Amelia.
You put the food out. That's it. Hold it up like that.
At the moment, they're being a bit lazy, so if you go nearer to them, then they should.
I'm just going to step here. Right, stand there. Hold that up. Hold that there like that.
When they get like nearer full, they'll eat, but not make the effort for it. Yeah, they won't make the effort. It's very much cupboard love.